Is it all for show? Who's even qualified for the afterlife or what? Got it up, can we just be honest? Am I playing the fool? Have I run out of time? There's a hole, got nothing to lose, we're all gonna die. And I'm missing the mark, we're living it right.